it needs this mounting kit so that it'll fit the LGA 1700. I'll link both of them down in the description below. So this is what the cooler looks like. It has a big coil right up here, and it has a fan right inside like so. Now this way the fan is not all the way, as you could see, not all the way to the end, which means it'll fit right on top of this like so. Possibly the other way. Let's just see. There you go. Plenty of room for the RAM and also the graphics card to go in. In here we also have the mounting bracket. Basically we're just gonna put this mounting secure frame on the bottom of our motherboard right here. Flip it over, and this should basically just go in through here, as you could see there.